Hello, meron ako ditong merge sort which is, pero ano nga bang merge sort? Merge sort is a classic sorting algorithm that follows the divide and conquer approach. It works by recursively dividing an array into smaller sub-arrays, sorting those sub-arrays and then merging them back together into a single sorted array. So meron akong ditong size array 10, and I pick a random numbers which is 8, 13, 1, 6, 9, 18, 51, 66, 20, and 34. Now, ang sabi dito is divide. So, dinivide ko siya sa 5. So, 8, 13, 1, 6, 9. Tapos sa kabila naman is 8, 18, 51, 66, 20, 34. Now, dinivide ko ulit sa 2. So, 8, 13, 1, 6, 9. Then, 18, 51, 66, and 20, 34. Now, in-merge sort ko siya. Sasamahin, pero naka-arrange na. So 1, 6, 8, 9, 13, then 18, 20, 34, 51, 66. Then ito na yung final merge. Pagsasamahin ulit natin siya. 1, 6, 8, 9, 13, 18, 20, 34, 51, 66. So ayun yung merge search na kung paano siya ginagawa. So hinahati muna, then pagsasamahin, pero nakasort na. So next is bubble sort. So what is bubble sort? Bubble sort is a simple comparison based sorting algorithm that repeatedly steps through the list, compares adjacent elements and swaps them if they are in the wrong order. The process is repeated until no swaps are needed, indicating that the list is sorted. So meron ulit akong size array 10. So 8, 13, 1, 6, 9, 18, 51, 66, 20, 34. So first pass, compare 8 and 13. So 8 is less than 13 and 13 is greater than 8. So no swap. Next one is compare 13 and 1. So 1 and 13, since 1 is less than 13 and 13 is greater than 1. So magsaswap sila. So maging ganito na siya, 8, 1, 13. Next, compare 13 and 6. So since 6 is less than 13 and 13 is greater than 6, so magsaswap sila. So magiging natin 8, 1, 6, 13. Next is 13 and 9. So mas malaki si 13 kaysa kay 9. So magsaswap din sila. Then next is 13, 18. So mas maliit yung 13 kaysa kay 18. So hindi na sila magsaswap. Ganun din sa 1851, wala rin, hindi rin sila magsaswap. Sa 5166, wala rin. Sa 20, sa 66 and 20, magsaswap sila. Since mas maliit si 20 kaysa kay 66, so magiging 8, 1, 6, 9, 13, 1851, 20, 66. Next is 66 and 34. Since mas maliit si 34 kaysa kay 66, so magsaswap din sila. So ito na yung natin pagkatapos ng first pass. 8, 1, 6, 9, 13, 18, 51, 20, 34, 66. Now sa second pass, compare natin si 8 and 1. Since si 8 ay mas malaki kay 1 and 1 is mas maliit kay 8, so magsaswap sila. So 1, 8, 6 na. Then next, 6 and 8. Since 6 is mas maliit kaysa kay 8, so magsaswap din sila. Sa 8 and 9, wala, kasi mas maliit si 8 kaysa kay 9. So dito naman 9 and 13, wala rin. Sa 13 and 18, wala rin. Sa 1851, wala rin. Sa 51 and 20, tawag dito, mas malaki si 51 kaysa kay 20, so magsaswap sila. So mapapansin dito 2051 na, kanina 5120. So next is 3451. Since 51 is greater than 34 and 34 is less than 51, so magsaswap sila. Then 51 and 66, wala na. Since nakasort na sila, so ito na yung arrays natin now. Ang arrays natin. So 1, 6, 8, 9, 13, 18, 20, 34, 51, and 66. Now, ano naman ang quicksort? Quicksort is a highly efficient and widely used sorting algorithm that follows the divide and conquer approach. It works by selecting a pivot element from the array and partitioning the other elements into sub-2 arrays. Those less than the pivot and those greater than the pivot. The sub-arrays are then sorted recursively. Note, left sub-array is less than the pivot and right sub-array is greater than the pivot. So, ganun ulit. Array size natin is 10. Katulad natin kanina. So, namili ako ng pivot which is 34. So, napunta siya sa gitna. Para, kasi sabi dito is left sub-array is less than the pivot. So, ito yung left natin. So, mas less than nga siya kay pivot. Then, yung right sub-array natin is greater than pivot. So, 5166 greater than siya sa 34. So, partition. Left sub-array is 8, 13, 1, 6, 9, 18, 20. Hindi na natin sasama si 34. Kasi siya yung pivot natin. Right sub-array, 5166. No need to sort. From left sub-array, 8, 13, 1, 6, 9, 18, 20. May mili ulit tayo ng pivot which is 20. So, left sub-array now is 8, 13, 1, 6, 9, 18. No right sub-array. All arrays, because all arrays are less than 20. Next is may mili ulit tayo ng pivot which is 18. So, 8, 13, 1, 6, 9, 18. So, left sub-array is 8, 13, 1, 6, 9. No right sub-array kasi lahat ng elements bukod kay 18 dito sa 8, 1, 13, 1, 6, 9 is less than 18. So, next is left sub-array natin, ang pivot naman natin ngayon is 9. So, left sub-array is 8, 13, 1, 6, but 13 moved to right sub-array since 13 is greater than 9. So, yun nga. Tulad nga na sinabi dito, left sub-array is less than the pivot and right sub-array is greater than the pivot. So, magmo-move siya. Magmo-move siya sa right. So, the arrays now are 8, 1, 6, 9, 13, 18, 20, 34, 51, 66. No? Pero hindi pa rin siya well sorted. So, may mili ulit tayo ng pivot which is 6. Left sub-array is 8, 1, 6. But 8 moved to right sub-array since 8 is greater than 6. So, mag-move siya. So, yung array natin ngayon is 1, 6, 8, 9, 13, 18, 20, 34, 51, 66. Now, yung array natin is well sorted na. Next is selection sort. So, what is selection sort? Selection sort is a straightforward comparison-based sorting algorithm. It works by repeatedly selecting the smallest or largest depending on sorting order element from the unsorted portion of an array and moving it to the beginning of the sorted portion. So, ganun ulit. Array size 10 na. Ang array size natin is 10. So, 8, 13, 1, 6, 9, 18, 51, 66, 20, 34. So, naghanap tayo ng smallest which is 1. So, 1 and 8 magsuswap. So, magiging 1, 13, 8 na siya. 1, 13, 8, 6, 9. Now, since sort na si 1, mawawala siya. Now, may mili ulit tayo dito sa natitira. Ang pinakamaliit ngayon na element is 6. So, isuswap natin si lang mawala. So, isuswap natin si 6 6 and 13. Yan. Since sorted na si 6, wala na siya. So, ngayon, hanap ulit tayo ng pinakamaliit which is, ang pinakamaliit na element which is 8. 8, 13, 9, 18, 51, 66, 20, 34. So, ngayon, walang swap. Kasi siya na yung pinakamaliit. So, no swap. Pero mawala na rin siya kasi sorted na siya. Now is, kuha ulit tayo ng pivot o hanap ulit tayo ng pivot which is ang hindi pala pivot. Sorry. Kanina. Hanap ulit tayo ng pinakamaliit na element which is 9. 9, malilipat si 9. Isaswap kay 13 which is 9, 13 na. Now, sorted na siya so mawawala si 9. Now, hanap ulit tayo ng pinakamaliit, which is 18. Mawala rin pala si 13 kasi sorted na siya. So ngayon 18 na, wala na din si 9, 13 dito. Pinakamaliit natin si 18, so no swap, so mawala na rin. The next is hanap ulit tayo, which is 20. Swap ko 51, so 20, 66, 51, 34. Na mawala na si 20 kasi sorted na siya. Then from smallest, hanap ulit tayo, which is 34. 34 is swap kay 66. So mawala si 34. And etong ano natin is sorted na. So ngayon yung array natin is 1, 6, 8, 9, 13, 18, 20, 34, 51, 66. Now is shell sort. So what is shell sort? Shell sort is an optimization of insertion sort that allows the exchange of items that are far apart. The basic idea is to arrange the list of elements so that starting everywhere, taking each element produced a sorted list. The value of h is reduced until it becomes 1, at which point that the list is sorted. Now, dito may size ulit tayo, array size na 10. So, ang gap natin is 5. So, 8, 13, 1, 6, 9, 18. So, no swap. Since si 8 ay less than 18. So, ganun lang din. 1351, no swap. 166, no swap. 920, no swap. 1834, no swap. Next, so, babaan natin yung gap, which is 2. 1 and 8, or 8 and 1, magsuswap. Then, 1 and 9, no swap. 951, dito, no swap. 2051, swap. 13 and 6, swap. And 18 and 66, no swap. 6 and 18, no swap. 66 and 34, swap. So, ito na yung ano natin sa first pass natin. Second pass, ano yun natin, baba natin yung gap, which is 1. So, dito no swap. 1 and 6, no swap. 6 and 8, no swap. 8, 13, no swap. 13 and 9, and swap, since 13 is greater than 9. Now, mapapansin natin yung array natin is well sorted na. Now, ang array na natin is 1, 6, 8, 9, 13, 18, 20, 34, 51, 66. So, well sorted na siya. Next is insertion sort. What is insertion sort? It's a simple intuitive sorting algorithm that builds a sorted array or list one element at a time. It works similarly the way you might sort playing cards in your hand. So, dito magko-compare tayo. Compare 8 and 13, no swap since 8 is less than 13. Ngayon, 8 and 13, ko-compare natin kay 1. So, magsuswap sila ng 1 and 8. Now, compare natin si 8 and 13 kay 6. Magsuswap since 6 is less than 8. Compare natin si 9 and 13. Magsuswap din. Ayan. Compare natin si 13 and 50 and 18 to 51. Wala. Kasi mas greater than 51 is greater than 13 and 18. Now dito 51 and 66, no swap. 66 and 20, swap since 20 is less than 66. 20 and 51, swap since 20 is less than 51. Then 51 and 66, no swap. Then 66 and 34, swap. So now mapapansin natin, ito yung final ano natin, final array natin sa pass 2. So ito yung kinalabasan. So now the array is 1, 6, 8, 9, 13, 18, 20, 34, 51, 66. Yun lang, and that's it po.